Oh, I can take video with it closed like that. I didn't know.
Haha, Apple.
Wow. Wait. I'm looking at it. Looking at my check.
Looking at what?
Total deduction.
Total deduction. What is it? How much is this?
$9.43.
Your first paycheck ever.
Nope.
Ever!
Oh, is it?
It is.
Guess what my employee number is?
1
That's the first one.
TZG.
No. It's not an important number in any way. It's 4 characters long. 4 numbers long.
1734.
No.
1814.
No.
1234.
No.
1456.
No.
17.
No.
11.
No.
12.
Yeah.
1234. 1278.
Yes.
Yeah! iPhone. I'll remember that forever. I won't though.
Nah, I won't either. I can just look at it though.
But Wayne Strong said. Strong man. Wayne.
Void after 180 days.
180 days. Yeah.
Hours 10.76. What's it say? This car is a Horcrux. When I grow up, I want to be a fire truck.
show the camera.
The camera.
It's a Mini Cooper. It's a red